Yeah.
They just pulled my face. Wes, they're like,
bro, you know who you look like, kind of? That guy from Storage Wars.
Check them out right away.
Can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal. That's a dangerous operation of a motorcycle.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of TooFast TV. Today we got an install of some LED light strips on a tow truck. So this tow truck is like a friend of the shops. He comes by here all the time, and he's gonna get LED strips on the sides and on the back of his truck, because when he's out on a job at night, it's really sketchy when you have cars flying by you because they don't see you, because like maybe they're coming too quick, your lights aren't bright enough, etc. So he's getting light installed. You guys will see that, and then we'll go on and we'll see what else is going on in the shop. All right, let's go.
look, come, you put it in here, and the wire just slides through, bro. So much space for the wire. You won't even see the wire. You just run it here, and the wire goes down right there. And you run it from underneath all the way to the front.
Good thing it's flexible. It's not those metal ones I did yesterday.
Yeah, why the fuck they put that there? That's the worst.
Their brake light is there now. I guess because it's a pretty high truck. Like, this is like eye level with people.
Yeah. But then what about these?
That's like, yo, extra precaution.
So this is the main. And these are your second.
Yes, it's like the fourth brake light thing, you know, like Subarus, what they have.
Didn't it like, doesn't Ford have it like across the top? Because I know Fords have like that big bar that go across on like the F-150 and shit. Is that like from factory though?
No, I don't think it's right.
That's not from factory? Oh, because my friend has it. It's like just a full bar just goes all the way. Is that what this guy's getting?
Yeah, he's getting like the LED strip, like the strobe. You know,
oh.
for like when he gets like on an accident scene. Like,
Oh, for like tow trucks.
like
And, yeah.
orange and white lights.
Just like a
the amber,
hazards kind
yeah,
of?
Exactly, the amber and white. You know, the like not emergency vehicle, but like, well, I guess it's like emergency vehicle.
Like roadside assistance vehicle. Yeah. Okay. It's already got like all the basic lights you need, but when you're out on a scene at night and it's like really dark out, I'm pretty sure he's gonna get lights across the other side. Is it just one big strip?
Yeah, go look on that side, you'll see it.
Oh yeah.
I just wanted to get that side all wired up so I didn't have to come back to this side. Because everything now is gonna be, all the wires are on this side.
Alright, so Wes is doing all the light installs. Here is the light that he just installed. Big LED strip that just goes all the way across, because, you know, this is a tow truck, and when you're on scene at nighttime, you want to have some visibility and have cars be able to see you, especially when you're on the side of like the highway or something, cars flying by, you don't want to get clipped, you know, so it's always good to have extra lights like those up there, these along the side. So yeah, Wes is going to get that done. He's already wired up this side. Now it's just time to do the driver's side. So when he's done that side, he's going to come over here, do the driver's side. You got to see he started up with all the wiring and stuff, but, you know, got to still install it. So we'll get back to you in just a sec.
All the wiring now.
Oh wow.
See these two things here?
Yep.
This one's for the side. These are both the side, the running boards, and these are both the back lights.
Okay.
That's it. No
And it
more
looks
wires.
so much cleaner back here now.
No more wires, bro. And I cleaned up this other guy's wires too. We get a bunch of other wires from like, I guess it's two-way and like whatever.
You still don't know what that loose wire is for
No,
though.
but
Does that have like current going through it?
I hope not.
Look how clean he tucked this wire up here. Because we were contemplating whether he should go up and around and bring it down with
So
this
he
wire.
saw it and he's like, he called Ariel. He's like, "Where did you get these lights? Yo, I want that too." He's like, I want that too. He's like, yo, you actually did this nice. He's like,
Right?
whoa.
Because it almost looks like it's just a
You
trim.
did this nice. Because at first he was like, he wanted it up there, and he's like, the wire's gonna be showing, and then he was looking for the wire, and he's like, oh shit, it's nice.
Because it literally just looks like the window trim.
I know, right?
Like, it doesn't look like it's out of place or anything. If anything, it feels like that side's missing it. Like, it should be on that side as well.
Yeah, right?
If you look at the wiring that Wes done, you see like the LED strip under there. The wire comes down, and then you can just barely see it, tucks right down there, and then goes and runs all the way into the control panel over there. Can't even see it unless you're looking for it.
Fuck it up, hold up.
Ricky, is this the moment we've been waiting for 3 weeks?
The moment we've been waiting for 3 weeks.
Is it this?
To get rid of it.
Nice.
To get our hoist back.
So wait, is it going to scrap or is it like going to someone who wants it?
The seats are mint. On the seats? Too late now.
So is anything being saved from this?
No, I took everything but the front seats, brother. The front seats are nasty. The problem is there's some mice.
Too many
in
farts in there.
It was parked in a weird area. That's all I gotta say. And something was, you know, icy. I
Micey.
don't know about the mice. I think that like, I found like a bunch of panties wrapped up. Panties?
Oh, panties.
And it's just been tripping me out since that day. Like, how did that?
This car's been a panty cover.
The panty, there was a ball of panties. You remember that? I'm like, where did this come from? And
Someone's trying to set you up, bro.
Yeah, someone's trying to get you in
somebody
trouble.
broke the window on it. No, but the frame is bent. That's why I gotta scrap it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we took all the important parts that we need. I have a very clean shell.
So you're transferring some of the parts to the new body?
Yeah, this motor is fried. Got a hole in the block. I toasted that at a drift event. You doing the 3-wheel? All right. So
The 3-wheel?
All right. You want to bring this jack here and then we'll pull it. That was pretty sick, eh?
Bro, look how tucked it is in the back.
Imagine it's that little.
It so stands. That's what no suspension looks like. If you don't know, there's no suspension in the back here, so that wheel's just rolling in the frickin' wheel arch.
Okay.
right, Salim, now that that Beamer's gone, what are you replacing it with?
Don't worry, stay tuned.
Stay
It's
tuned.
crazy. I have a really clean show.
It's kind of sad to see.
I hate it.
Oh man,
It's gotta go.
it's gotta be done.
So every Beamer ends up, man.
How every Beamer ends
How
up.
every drift Beamer ends up. You know?
That's
You gotta
true.
drift
That's
your-
true.
That's why we got TooFast TV. We gotta share our memories, right?
The memories will forever be on YouTube. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of TooFast TV. I hope I see you guys next time. And stick around because all week we'll be uploading shorts. You guys enjoy those videos and we'll see you guys next week on Friday. Peace.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laugh just gets every time.
Can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.
Say something to the camera, Rick. Alright.